CNS Driver Training Center has just changed the status quo and has completely disrupted the current landscape of CDL training. What makes our CDL school diploma programs different? We want to be cost-effective and flexible for you, the trainee, not the school. Our Driver Training Center is up to 40% cheaper than competitor programs which focus on training students in groups, not the one-on-one training like us. Who wants to learn how to be a professional driver crammed in the back of a truck with a group of trainees? Ron, get off of me! We offer classroom and online theory training to better accommodate your availability. We developed this from inception so you have the most impactful learning experience. CNS is the first school to be approved by our state for one-on-one Class A CDL training. Our one-of-a-kind CDL training program is designed with the trainee in mind. How? Because the program is specifically focused on the trainee's current aptitude, learning style, and desired job outcome. We're all about delivering high-quality professional truck drivers to our industry in a timely and cost-effective manner. Trucking jobs will always be in demand, and when you're good behind the wheel, making six figures is easily attainable. So why wouldn't you choose CNS for your CDL training? We are the best in our industry, and our trainees back us up. Just look at all the 5-star Google reviews. If you have further questions about our CDL school diploma programs, or if you work for a company and want to learn more about our company contract training, give us a call at 717-496-9145 or email us at support@cnstrains.com. Or you can fill out the form below and somebody will be in contact with you soon. Our nation needs you to keep America moving.